What is this? What is this on the ground? This frozen moisture? Frost? That is right. Overnight, we had the first semi-freeze of the year. Look at that. It hit 31 degrees this morning on my drive out. You can almost see my breath. Ooh, it's chilly outside. Dad came and picked up a semi-load this morning already and is taking it to town. So he started the combine up for me. Whew. It's gonna be a long day today, you guys. Buckle in. Did not do very much. If you look real close over there, you can see where the truck driver accidentally left his traps open. Luckily, the grain cart driver caught it before it was too late. Just means there's a little pile of corn. Ooh, actually, it's bigger than I thought. I'll clean that up later. So, do you see how these leaves aren't like crumbling in my hands? They're very soft and pliable. It's not ideal. It means that they're wet, which could make harvesting quite difficult. And these ones are directly in the sun. I think we might have to give it a little bit. We got our truck driver loaded and sent him off. So I think we might just have to wait a little ways before things are ready. Definitely a lot of moisture around here. On a brighter note, this means that I get to eat my breakfast in peace. A Pop-Tart, a banana, and coffee. Just enjoy the morning. Dad came out and drove a couple rounds. And if it's Dad approved, then it must be Laura approved. So, time to get going. That sensor's broken, so just ignore that. I'm not even harvesting and my tailings are high. Sounds bad. This trailer is the handiest thing. So nice. In 12 minutes, that's right, I timed it. 12 minutes this is between the combine and the tractor for the grain cart. 289 gallons of diesel fuel, 20 gallons of diesel exhaust fluid, and 2 blown out air filters. 12 minutes, huh? Not too shabby. And we're rolling again. The grain cart is full, and we have, oh, speak of the devil, look at here. We have our truck driver coming in for the last load. The co-op is not accepting the moisture that we're harvesting at anymore. We were harvesting at about 21 to 22 moisture. Okay, time to, well, I was gonna say shut it down, but I'm not shutting it down yet. I have a truck full and the grain cart is about to be full. I'm just going to make one more round. A round is a down and a back. Then we'll end up on the side of the field where my pickup is. So the grain cart will be full, so tomorrow morning when the truckers come, I can fill them right away and then get the combine going. It's about this time of night, it's 8:30, and so I've been running the combine for 12 hours almost straight, taking a few like 3-minute breaks to stand up, stretch my legs, walk around a little bit. But it's about this time of night, cue the yawn, when I really start hoping that my muscle memory serves me well and I don't accidentally confuse the unloading with the resume header height button, because they feel very similar. The way I remember it, well, muscle memory, but left is load, the grain cart, and right is resume header height. The resume button is the one I press to put the head up or down. Anyways, it's been a really good day, productive. I got a little bored from around the hours of like 3 to 5, but then the excitement and like energy of harvest kicked back in. So I'm doing well. Yeah, appreciate you watching the video, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye.